Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to use the curve tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First you're going to open the application. After that you need to select an image, so you're going to click on the plus icon. Then you need to select your preferred image. After that, you're going to click on Tools, and then the third option, Curves. Here you can see the graph of the RGB values, which we can manipulate it to our wheel, as you can see. In the bottom left, you can change the channel of what type of detail do you want to change on this image. So we are going to select red, and we can lower the redness of this image. If we select green, we can lower the color green in this image. If we select blue, we can lower or even higher blueness of this image. If we select luminance, we can change the brightness of this image. And if we select RGB, we can manipulate the whole spectrum. If the graph is in the way, you can click on the middle button, and here you can see the whole image. If you want it back. But if you can't adjust the image to your liking, you can choose the preset ones, like soft contrast. I'm going to select KO1, and if you want to save it, you need to click on the check mark, and here it is. If you want to save the image into your gallery, you need to click on Export. There are 4 options. Share, which will share it to any of your friends on any platform. There is Save, which will create a copy of this image. Export is kind of the same, but it will change the format of this image. And Export As is will create a copy to a selected folder. We're going to click on Save. And as you can see, it already saved it. We're going to click on View. We're going to click on Gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.